trying out my new camera holder, so I can hopefully take much more videos, because I can't hold a camera and do things with one hand because I'm pretty hopeless. Listen to the birds, those are plovers. Oh, here it comes. They're nesting over on the top of the big shed, and I'm not allowed to walk around because they think I'm going to steal their eggs. They give you a nasty knock too. They built you with their wings and peck you a bit. And they're noisy. Chooks have been laying their eggs up on this shelf in one of these old aviaries, but none today, so not today. Still secure in their paddock. It's been, God, I don't know how many weeks it's been, but it's been a while and they're not getting out, so big success. So they're all having their hay. Oh God, I just got attacked again. They're plovers, those birds. This is Mighty. Hello, Mighty. And this is Stormy. I'm sure you've probably seen Stormy before. Mighty's fairly new. He came with, hey, Stormy, you going to say hello? No. Get away while I'm in my hay. He came with the new racehorse, ex-racehorse. Who's standing at the fence there. The horses are in the back paddock at the moment, apart from Goldie, who just goes through any fence she wants to. This paddock's got a lot of good long spring grass. I've been resting this paddock until Goldie got in, but I won't let the horses up this to the front end of the property until I've got a good thick layer of long grass. Hello, Goldie. You've left Nugget behind. Hey, oh, not talking. Okay. Yeah, can you go back? But she would have got a zap. Yes, there's Nugget on the other side. Yeah, they're separated. And Goldie most certainly doesn't need to be eating all this nice long grass either. Yes, you would have got a zap coming through, wouldn't you, Goldie, eh? Now you're going to have to come around to the gate and I'll let you back into the paddock through the gate, which is how you should be going in and out, instead of through fences that I've just turned to look at. This is the racehorse, no, stop, who's also a windsucker, which is really bad. And a lot of racehorses do windsucking. It's from the way they're brought up. They are just so overworked and bored, and they do it because of boredom, basically, and then it becomes a really bad habit, so hard to break. No, come on. But he's beautiful. When I bring him up, I'll be doing some work with him, and hopefully we'll be able to stop the wind sucking, eh? What do you think? No. Yes, you tell him, Monty. No. I had another ex-racehorse. That's what I've said to get ex-racehorses, because nobody wants them, and they end up going to dog food. And there's just beautiful horses, and this horse is going to make a beautiful. He has been injured, but only injured that's affecting racing, him not being able to race. He's not lame or anything, so he'd make a beautiful hacking horse for someone. So I'm going to work with him and hopefully give him other things to think about other than wind sucking, eh? Yes. No. Mustn't do it, baby. Oh, I've got to get you in and give you a bath, Monty. Get that tangled mane sorted out. Hello, Nugget, in between there. Hello, baby. Don't be silly and come through like your mother did, because she would have got a zap. Yes, she would. Hello. Don't touch the fence. Listen, you, stop. Off you go, Super. Go and find something else to do. Go find something else to do. Good boy. I can't even catch him at the moment. He's just so. He's only 5 or 6. He's only young. That's what I mean. Change him from a racehorse to a riding horse. Someone would love him. Because I can't afford to keep all the horses that come in. So Goldie and Nugget and Monty and Louy are my horses I'm keeping. Goldie's about the only one that isn't a racehorse. She just came from a horse dealer, who had the RSPCA called on him. Hello, baby. You going to say hello? Yeah, good girl. Oh yes, kiss from Goldie. Yeah, so someone had called the RSPCA on him regarding a horse that they'd bought off him, and must have been sick or something. I don't know the details. But he got wind that she was foolish enough to tell him that she called them and he had 2 horses that he had to get rid of because they were so sick. And she was one of them. She was about 9 months old at the time, and she was just a skeleton. So things have changed, as you can see, and she's a lovely horse, lovely pony, really. And she got in with the stallion accidentally, and Nugget is the result of that. So those 2 are staying, but you know, it's 20 acres here. You can only have so many horses. I've got the 2 cows. You can only have so many horses. So see, Super's worked on getting him away from that pole that he was been sucking on, and he's gone away and he's now just eating. So I'm just getting veggie seedlings going at the moment and getting the garden ready, and so doing a lot of that stuff. So when I've got all that sorted out and the plants in, I'll have more time to work with Super and Nugget. They're my 2 priorities. How are you 2 going? Delish. Is that delicious, hey? Hello, Stormy. Hello. Hello, Mighty. You can go back out with Super again when you've lost a bit more weight. They're going pretty well, but they've still got a bit to go. Good boys. But I'm not holding my breath for them to come up. But we'll see. You don't know till you give it a try. So this end, the peas are up and they're growing very well. And I've got a whole heap more seeds planted that should be coming up this week. Along the that end, they're just starting to come up, the peas seeds. And then I've got more in these rows here. They're sort of very crooked rows. I did a very bad job with the rows. Ugh. And potatoes up this end, but they haven't come up. And I've got potatoes in the small garden as well. So it was supposed to rain all day today, but it hasn't rained a little bit, but not much at all. So I was hoping for a decent downpour, but it's not going to happen, I don't think. We're on tank water here, so rain's very important. So this is the little garden. That's all potatoes against the fence there. I've got strawberries that have been buried by the hay. And as you can see, the rhubarb. And beyond the rhubarb, there is beetroot. They're all up and growing. And, oh, there's a chook and a pussycat. Hello, Rodney. Rodney's all healed up from his disastrous accident. He's pretty well, his eyes one. His face is all lopsided, but that's better than him being dead. So I've got a heap of their flowers of some sort. And these are my little lucerne trees, seeds, and you can see they're coming up now. So I've got 3 up, and the others will be up probably tomorrow or the day after. It won't be far away. So they're going right down the boundary on the property, and I can cut once they've grown or started to grow. I can cut them, keep cutting them for the goats to eat, because it's very, very good. It's like lucerne. It's got a lot of protein in it. So then, and there's, hello Lulu. I have so many helpers. Good boy. Hello. You're going into my failed garlic. That was a bit sad. The garlic was a bit sad, wasn't it? Yes. And these pretty little flowers are doing well. And I have flowers down in the bottom pot. I've just done this morning. That's all got all lettuce seeds in there. And here's pea seeds that are up. Now the chooks got into this and dug it up, so that was full of peas, but not anymore. So I've got a few out of it, which I'll pop in the garden. And this one's flowers. So this one has nasturtium, and it had foxglove, I think it's called, in with it, which, God, was flowered for years. That was in for 4 or 5 years. And all of a sudden it all just died, but the nasturtiums are coming up again, so that's fine. You're going in for a sleep, are you? That's not your bed, that's the outside pussycat's bed, isn't it? Yes. Gingy and Speedy. I don't think they're here at the moment. No. Probably under the house. Anyway, so that was just a little wander around. I'm going to have some lunch now. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next video, which will probably be gardening. Might be horsey, who knows. Never know one day to the next. I don't know if it's supposed to be raining and it hasn't rained, and it's supposed to be raining for the next 4 days, so we'll see. Hello, chick chick. Hello, chick chick. Oh, 3 chick chicks. They're my 3 babies. Beautiful girls. Yeah, you're beautiful girls, aren't you? Okay, bye for now. Thanks for watching.